So this is the Hella trumpet horn. This is a extension to install two horns. I bought it from AliExpress. The horns and the harness are Toyota specific. All right, so you take off these clips just with a flathead or a trim remover. There's 3 of them on each side, so there's 6 total. So here is the stock horn still installed prior to me removing it. And here's the stock bolt. Went ahead and removed the previous horn, used that harness that I got from AliExpress. There's the new horn. And again, if you're testing it, it needs to be grounded, so you need to bolt it up. Right here, this one needed another bolt because obviously it came with 1 horn from factory. If you don't have a kit like this, you should buy it. But basically it was this guy right here, which is an M8 1.25 by 16 thread. That's it right there. So I just threaded that in. Way louder.